Good morning, dear friends. Today we have started a lecture of manufacturing process one. So in that, as you all know, that at present we have starting from unit one. See, in this semester, in the manufacturing process, you have studied lathe machine, drilling machine, milling machine, boring machine, broaching machine. So various types of machine that you have studied in the fourth semester. And these all machines are basically called the one type of machine tools. Okay, and also there is another part of the manufacturing technology, that is the manufacturing processes like casting, welding, forging, etc. But this manufacturing process are not at present we have studied, but that we have studied in the fifth semester. So, in the fourth semester, we have studied various types of machine tools. So, let me introduce what is the manufacturing process and what are the various types of machine tools. So, starting from our lecture notes, so see, there is a unit 1, its name is Basic Machine Tools and the Metal Cutting Principle. So, just go through definitions. You have referred so many books for this, okay, like manufacturing process by the Hajra Chaudhary, okay, and also manufacturing process with various publications like Technical and Books India, etc. Whatever you have, you want to refer, okay. So I have basically refer my the notes. It is helpful for me. So you also go through it. It is very helpful to you. Okay, starting from introduction. First of all, what is the machine tool? So as you see on your screen, that machine tools are defined as the machines used for carrying out metal cutting processes. Okay. Machine tools are basically two types. One which are used for the metal cutting process and another which are used for the surface finishing process. If we are considering the metal cutting process, it means the removing the material from the workpiece in the form of chips. Okay, by using the cutting tools. Okay, by using various cutting tools, and also it is categorized as a surface finishing process which were used to get a good surface finish, okay, to the already machine workpiece with the negligible removal of the material. So material is basically removed in the form of in two forms. One, completely remove the material in the form of chips and just give the surface finishing. Okay, so these are the basic definition of the machine tools. Then after next, machine tool is a power-driven machine used for producing the component of the required shape inside with desired accuracy and surface finish by removing the material from the workpiece. मतलब क्या है? Simple. It's a power-driven machine. Machine tools are not hand-driven machine. It is a power-driven for producing the component of the required shape. As we have the like iron bar, or we have the some types of wood piece, and we have some types of another metal, any type of piece or bar. Okay, with the help of various processes, we give him required shape and to make some components, and that component we have used to fit any machines or in any automobiles. Okay, that gives us some functions. Okay, so producing the operation successfully, every machine tool has to perform the following functions. Okay, जैसे कि आपके पास आयरन बार है, अब उसमें से आपको कोई रिक्वायर्ड शेप चाहिए, तो रिक्वायर्ड शेप के लिए क्या क्या फंक्शंस आपको करने पड़ेंगे. फर्स्ट, होल्ड, सपोर्ट एंड गाइड द वर्क पीस टू द मशीन. देखो, जब भी आप किसी भी टूल्स को कट करते हो, देन वी रिक्वायर जस्ट टू फंक्शन. वी रिक्वायर टू टाइप ऑफ functions, right? First, we simply hold the workpiece. Okay, we require two type of thing. One is the workpiece, another one is the cutting tool. Okay, so workpiece को आपको क्या करना है? होल्ड करना है. होल्ड, सपोर्ट एंड गाइड द वर्कपीस टू बी मशीन. ओके, जैसे ही हम डिफरेंट मशीन्स देखेंगे, लेट, ड्रिलिंग, मिलिंग, सभी में यही होगा कि एक चीज़ क्या होगी जो वर्कपीस को होल्ड करके रखेगी. वर्कपीस यानी क्या है? जिसके ऊपर आप प्रोसेस कर रहे हैं. दूसरी चीज़ क्या होगी? कटिंग टूल, जो वर्क पीस के ऊपर प्रोसेस कर रहा है, उसको रिक्वायर्ड शेप के अंदर डाल रहा है. सो सेकंड, होल्ड, सपोर्ट एंड गाइड द कटिंग टूल यूज्ड फॉर द मशीनिंग. ओके, सो फॉर परफॉर्मिंग द ऑपरेशन सक्सेसफुली, एवरी मशीन टूल हैज़ टू परफॉर्म द ओनली टू फंक्शंस. फर्स्ट, होल्ड, सपोर्ट एंड गाइड द वर्क पीस. सेकंड, होल्ड, सपोर्ट एंड गाइड द कटिंग टूल. ओके, ये तो बात हो गई मशीन, बेसिक मशीन टूल्स ही. नाउ लेट मी गो हेड. Now see, machine tools are basically classified into the various category. What are that category? This lecture notes I have also shared in the WhatsApp group, so it is helpful to you. Basically, you just keep in mind that machine tools are classified into the 4 category. Okay, what are that category? First is that according to the desired purpose. Okay, desired purpose, it means it is a single purpose machine tool, multi-purpose machine tool, or special purpose machine tool, right? जैसे कि मान लीजिए कि आपके पास हॉल नहीं है और अगर आपको हॉल करना है वर्क पीस में, देन वी आर यूजिंग द ट्रेडिंग मशीन टूल. ओके, एंड इफ यू हैव ऑलरेडी एग्जिस्टिंग हॉल और उस हॉल को बड़ा करना है, देन वी आर यूजिंग द ब्रोचिंग मशीन टूल. ओके, सिंपल. इफ वी हैव डोंट डू एनी टाइप ऑफ होल एंड वी जस्ट give the surface finish, then we are using the grinding machine tool. So these are the, as per the desired purpose, we use the different machine tools. Okay, next category, according to the size of the chip removed. Now according to the size of chip removed, it means क्या होता है कि कुछ मशीनिंग प्रोसेस ऐसी होती है कि जिसके अंदर बहुत सारे लार्ज साइज के अंदर चीप रिमूव होते हैं, जैसे कि लेथ मशीन, ड्रिलिंग मशीन, मिलिंग मशीन, शैपिंग मशीन, एटसेट्रा. ओके, एंड कुछ मशीन टूल ऐसे होते हैं दैट आर प्रोड्यूसिंग वेरी स्मॉल मशीन, वेरी स्मॉल साइज चिप, लाइक ग्राइंडिंग मशीन, लैपिंग मशीन, होनिंग एंड पॉलिशिंग मशीन. ओके, इट इज जस्ट रिमूव द जो सरफेस फिनिश, जो सरफेस के ऊपर थोड़ा बहुत मटेरियल होता है. ओके, विच आर रिक्वायर ओनली फॉर द शाइनिंग. Okay, if you remove her, then the component are automatically shining. Okay, so such type of machines are remove very less material. Okay, that are producing chips very small size. That's the grinding, lapping, honing and polishing. And another one that is the used for the cutting tool, like lead drilling, milling, shaping. So in total syllabus of our manufacturing process, we have studied all this machine in the detail with all its different types and shapes. Now the third category, according to the degree of the automation. So according to the degree of automation means what? That you should change your machine tool dimension. You should change your machine tool degree, like manual control machine tools, semi-automatic and automatic machine tools. Okay. Then after, according to the weight of the machine tools. Now weight of the machine tools, that the light duty, heavy duty and medium duty. It's very simple category. Okay. Then after, the next one about machine tool. Now also there is a machine tools are classified into the working and the auxiliary motion in the machine tool. Okay, now what are this working and auxiliary motion? The material removal process depend upon the relative motion between the tools in the workpiece. Okay, now the motion of the machine tool is either transmitted to the cutting tool or the workpiece or the both साइमल्टेनियसली, राइट. जो मोशन ट्रांसमिशन होता है वो मोशन ट्रांसमिशन कैसे होता है? आइदर ट्रांसमिटेड टू द कटिंग टूल, ओके, और वर्क पीस, और बोथ साइमल्टेनियसली. या तो फिर सिर्फ वर्क पीस होल्ड किया हुआ है और कटिंग टूल उसके ऊपर प्रोसेस कर रहा है, या कटिंग टूल होल्ड किया हुआ है और वर्क पीस उसके ऊपर प्रोसेस कर रहा है, या ऐसी भी प्रोसेस होती है कि वर्क पीस और cutting tool both are work simultaneously to get the required desired shape. Okay, so these are the simple the motion category. So this motion are called as a working motion of the machine tool, and the motion of the machine tool may be classified also in the two types, like primary cutting motion or the feed motion. Primary cutting motion, it means divided into the two categories, rotary motion and reciprocating motion. Now as per the name rotary motion, it means it is workpiece or the tool revolve in the category, and if we are considering the reciprocating motion, it means the workpiece or the cutting tool are working in the up and down category, right? Okay, and also there is another one category that is called the feed motion. Now feed motion is basically used when there is a required hole in very deep shape or in the inside the workpiece. Okay, that's why we require the feed motion. Okay, so these are the basic introduction of the various machine tools. So basically in this fourth semester we have studied various types of machine tools in the manufacturing process. So these are the basic introductory lecture. Now after that we will go for the detail for various machine tools. So thank you for today. We will meet tomorrow with next lecture. Bye.